Unlocking financial savings through energy audits. A simple guide. Saving energy isn't just about being eco-friendly, it's also a great way to cut costs. But how do you know which energy-saving actions are worth it? That's where an energy audit comes in. It's a step-by-step process that shows you how to save energy and money while making smarter decisions for your business. What is an energy audit? Think of an energy audit as a checkup for your building. It looks at how you're using energy, spots areas where you're wasting it, and suggests ways to improve. The process is pretty straightforward. Collect information. Review your energy bills and look at how your equipment and systems work. Analyze the data. Identify inefficiencies and figure out where you can save. Recommend solutions. Highlight practical energy-saving actions and rank them based on how cost-effective they are. How to weigh the benefits. When considering energy-saving options, ask yourself these key questions. 1. What will it cost? Every improvement comes with a price tag. Whether it's upgrading to efficient equipment or retrofitting old systems, you'll need to know the upfront cost. 2. How much can I save? The goal is to cut down on energy use, which means lower bills. For example, switching to energy-efficient lighting might slash your electricity use by 40%. 3. When will I break even? How long will it take for the savings to cover the cost? If you spend $10,000 on upgrades and save $2,500 a year, it will take 4 years to break even. 4. What's the long-term benefit? Beyond breaking even, think about the bigger picture. How much will you save over 5 or 10 years? Does that make the investment worthwhile? Going beyond the basics. An energy audit doesn't just stop at finding savings. It also helps you understand your energy use in detail, which can uncover hidden opportunities. For instance, you might discover that certain machines use far more energy than others, or that adjusting operating hours could significantly reduce peak energy demand. Small changes, when added up, can lead to big savings. A simple example. Lighting upgrades. Let's say a factory decides to replace old lights with energy-efficient ones. Here's how the decision might look. Cost of upgrade, $50,000. Current energy use. High, but switching to efficient lights could cut usage by 40%. Energy rates. Around 12 cents per kilowatt hour. Savings. The factory could save about $9,600 a year on electricity bills. Break-even point. In a little over 5 years, the savings would cover the initial cost. Big picture. Over 10 years, the total savings would be nearly $96,000, making the investment a no-brainer. Making the case for action. Sometimes, it's not just about the numbers. Energy efficiency can also boost employee morale and customer satisfaction. People appreciate businesses that care about the environment, and energy-saving actions often improve working conditions, like better lighting or more consistent heating and cooling. In addition, many governments and utilities offer incentives for energy efficiency projects, such as rebates or tax breaks. These can significantly reduce the upfront cost, making your investment even more appealing. Why it matters. By breaking down the costs and benefits, an energy audit helps you pick the best options to save money. Show stakeholders why the changes make sense. Make confident, informed decisions about upgrades. Highlight your commitment to sustainability, which can enhance your brand. Conclusion. Energy audits aren't just about cutting waste, they're about boosting your bottom line and improving your operations. By taking a closer look at where you're spending and saving, you can prioritize upgrades that pay off in the long run. Ready to start saving? An energy audit is your first step to smarter spending and a greener future.